Hey everyone, this is unboxing of the Cyborg R.A.T 5 gaming mouse. On the front, basically it just says 4000 DPI. It's really breaking nice. The side, not much else. 125 to 4000 DPI. I guess the 125 is for sniper mode, which it says back here. 4 features. One, showing a picture to the mode, so you can switch in between 4 different DPI settings. 2 is the sniper button there, which lowers the DPI way down for whenever you're doing accurate shooting. 3, not really sure what that's showing. We'll find out. And then 4 looks like that side scroll here. And I already started to open it, but here's some more of the features on it. See, it's showing the adjustability on it. Behind it, here we have the software, probably the manual on there too. You can go to cyborggaming.com to get the latest for the software. It's the mouse. Comes with weights there. Has a braided cord here, which is pretty nice. Helps with the cord getting damaged against the surface. A rough surface that is. Okay, and let's see, feature 3. I guess it was just showing that this is actually metal, which is pretty nice, so it gives it some weight. It comes stock, actually pretty small, so if you adjust it, you just pull these down. Probably have to loosen, I guess, but we'll be messing with it a little more after we get the computer set up. Sounds like there's a fire going on outside. Continuing. Maybe there was a fire. Anyway, here's the weights come in it. They actually go in here. Loosen this, the spring will come out and keeps the weight in. Doesn't have a little Allen wrench type tool to adjust everything like the R.A.T 7 does, but it's okay. The R.A.T 7 went out of stock when we got this, but R.A.T 5 will do. And that's really about it. Thank you for watching. I'll have more later.